I came to the Church of the Cross, because of all the times I've been to Bluffton, I have never gotten to see the inside of this church, and it is so beautiful. This time, they left the door unlocked, and I go inside, and all the little docents are in there, and they said, "Do you have any questions?" And I was like, "Oh, buckle up, lady, you're going to be here for a while." So they tell me the whole history of the church, which is interesting, but the best part is the bumblebees. So in like the 90s, they needed to redo the roof, and they were going to put on a copper roof. They pull up the roof, and they see all this honeycomb. The roof is filled with honeycomb because these bees had made the roof their home. Problem. So they relocate the bees, they hire somebody to professionally move them, and the bees come back. The bees said, no, this is our house of worship. The bees come back, and at that point they say, well, maybe we can make this work. Maybe we can make this work. So in exchange for free rent at the Church of the Cross, they allow the bees to stay up on the roof line and on the side wall. But the deal is, in exchange for free rent, every year they come take those panels down and they remove the bees and the honey. And now the church, to support itself and its mission, they sell holy honey. They sell holy honey up at the front. If that is not the greatest story you have heard this day, this week, or this year, God love you.